Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video, we are going to solve a problem where the question is b cube minus 3d square minus 6d plus 8 into y equal to x. As per the procedure, first we have to write the auxiliary equation, which is m cube minus 3m square minus 6m plus 8 equal to 0. By solving this using calculator, we get three values for m. They are 1, minus 2 and 4. So three different values. Then complementary function will be c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus c3 e power 4x. Coming to the particular integral, we have algebraic expression which is x then whole divided by, we have to copy the full quadratic expression, cubic expression d cube minus 3d square minus 6d plus 8. And anyway, we need 1, so this number will be taken out from the denominator, so it will become 8. d cube minus 3d square minus 6d whole divided by 8, this will become plus 1, and this we have to interchange and write. So x by 8, 1 plus d cube minus 3d square minus 6d whole divided by 8 and bracket close. Now let's carry this to the numerator. So x by 8 open bracket 1 plus d cube minus 3d square minus 6d whole divided by 8 whole power minus 1. We are going to expand this using the formula 1 plus x whole power minus 1, which is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 dot dot dot. Then after that, minus dot dot dot. Then after that, our term is x by 8 open bracket. First is 1 minus x. So minus of d cube minus 3d square minus 6d whole divided by 8. Then plus x square. All the higher powers we can ignore because we have only x. It is differentiable only once. So x by 8, 1. And here we can keep only this term because x is differentiable only once. When a different thrice or twice, it will become 0. So it will become plus 6d by 8. All the other higher powers we ignored. Then x will multiply inside. So 1 by 8 let it be outside. So this is x plus when I multiply x inside, differentiation of x once is 1. So it will become only 6 by 8. And after cancelling this, we get 1 by 8 into x plus 3 by 4. So finally, the complete solution is CF plus PI, and CF we got three terms, 1, minus 2 and 4 are the values of m. So y equal to C1 e power x plus C2 e power minus 2x plus C3 e power 4x, and the PI value is 1 by 8 into x plus 3 by 4.